Hey guys, so today we're going to be filming a brand new little video, and today we're going to be playing with the new Hello Kitty collection with Hipdot. I have the whole collection here, even the sponge. I'll show you guys here the cute little sponge that reminds me of a clown nose, but it's super cute. I want to show you guys this whole little collection. If you guys want to see how this look turns out, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is the collection that it comes in. It's a little bit thinner, but it's a cute little makeup bag. It has a little Hello Kitty on here. And then of course it comes with the palette. So this is the palette, what it looks like with all its glory. We'll get into that a little bit sooner, a little bit later. Are the duos. So here is the mascara duo, and then this is the lip duo, lip gloss duo. You guys are gonna see the sponge here after this video. So you're gonna see how the little sponge looks like, but this is the sponge. It's a really cute little Hello Kitty little one. It's a little heart, as you guys can see. It's a little heart. This is the dual-ended mascara. So you guys want to see that. So it has that little Hello Kitty all around it. You can see the little, can you see that one? Oh, there it is. It's so light, y'all can't even see. Inside it is the mascara. Do you guys want to see how the mascara looks? This looks like it would be really good for underneath the lashes. So this is the eyeliner. It's really cute. Do thick or thin lines with it, so it's not too bad. I'm glad you're able to do like either a thicker line or a thinner line, depending on how you feel. For the main part, we have here the palette. This is the Hello Kitty selfie palette, and it has 9 shadows in here. So this is it. It says, get ready for your day to shine with the selfie queen herself. The Hello Kitty selfie palette includes 9 high payoff beauty pinks, neutrals, and a pop of yellow colors. I think they're really cute. Y'all can see the little pen on there and the little pink little packaging cover. This is how they look. They're little pretty shades in here. That's pretty much a whole color story, so it's not bad. You got your neutrals and then your pops of colors. Okay, now this is these are the swatches. So I just want to show you, this is from going from the lightest pink, which is in the shade Kitty White. This shimmer, this is a shimmer. Oh, let me get you guys a little bit closer. So this is the shimmer, and then going into the neutral color, this is the Hello Kitty. Then we have the BFF color, the Kawaii. This is the bright yellow shade. And these are all swatched just with one dip. I didn't go in with a second layer or anything. And then we have here this apple pie color, heart of gold, which I thought would be a lot golder, but it's a cute little inner corner color. The shade pink buff here, say hello, which also again would be a pretty inner corner or highlighter. This is the shade red ribbon. This is the bright blue shimmer. Bright blue, girl, that's bright pink. Alright you guys, so now we're gonna go dip into this palette. I just want to show you guys one more time all the colors so you guys can see a little color story that I'm probably gonna end up doing. So I'm gonna end up, I feel like this yellow needs to be the main color. Yes, also the pink bow, like these 2 shades right here. I also want to use this shade called BFF for blush. So I kind of want to try that out, but I'll do that a little bit later. First go in, of course, with some eye base. I'm just going to go in here with the ABH one. So now that I applied my eyeshadow base, I'm going to first dip into this shade right here called, it is in the shade BFF. It's like a very pretty color. When it swatched, it was very pigmented. It was not like as light as it looks. So we're just going to pop a little bit of that. We're just going to start applying this onto the crease, just like in the inner corner part. I'm going to go lightly. I don't want to go too heavy with this color. Of course, these colors are so pigmented. I mean, this color at least is so pigmented. So it's kind of like, I don't think I'm gonna get sheer with this color, but it's super cute. Now I'm gonna dip into that shade called Pink Bow, and it's a really bright pink, and already know it's gonna be so intense. I'm going in here with the Beauty Bay, or oh, this is Morphe. Oh, I'm just gonna pack this on right here at the outer parts of this look, of the eye. Now see how bright that pink is? Like, oh my god, these are not no wash of color. These are like really pigmented, like look at that. We love to see that. Back in with that BFF color, that little blushy tone. We're just gonna use that to blend this little area right on top because y'all want a seamless blend. We're gonna give y'all a seamless blend. Color is not no sheer shade, so please make sure y'all tap it off because these are, like, look at that, like, girl, what? I thought I said, you know, we're gonna just do a little blend, but no, we got full color over here. Ooh, I love, okay, these blended super easily. I love the way they blended. And then I'm gonna pop this under here, under my lower lash line. We're just gonna start slowly. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. We're just gonna do a little blend moment. And then the rest of this little area, we're gonna go in with a pop of yellow. We're gonna go in with the quiet shade, that yellow, bright yellow shade. So I just wanna show you guys, this is the first impressions of the yellow. So we're just gonna pop this here in the inner corner first. Okay, she bright. Now we're just gonna pack this all over the lid. Now you guys could do a cut crease. I don't think I am. I am. Let's go cut the crease real quick. I can't do y'all like that. I didn't just go cut the crease because I didn't want to do y'all dirty like that. And we're just gonna pop in that yellow on that crease area. Just to set it, because you guys we're gonna need that color. And I'm really loving this yellow. I don't think I've worn yellow in a while, or at least had like a pop of yellow as like part of my signature look. Usually I play with yellow if I'm doing like rainbow looks. And when you guys are seeing this, which should be on Tuesday, it's already available. We're just gonna pop this also up in here in the inner corner here. This is how that shade is looking. Okay, and now we're gonna go into that bright color, gold shade, or not bright gold, but that gold shade. This is in the shade Heart of Gold. And I love the little pans in here. I don't wanna ruin them, but we are gonna just dip into that. And we're gonna use that here in the inner corner here, just to give it a pop of yellow, or not pop of yellow, but some shimmer in there. So you get a little bit of something. And I want to use as many shades as I can, which I probably won't. Ooh, I actually really like that gold color. You can see that. I'm actually gonna put this onto my lid right here. See if that makes a difference, but I think we're gonna just put a little bit of that. Yeah, I think that's a really cute little touch. Because I'm pretty sure I should be a little bit extra. I'm gonna go in here and go in with that red ribbon. Okay, this is giving me very like pink lemonade vibes. A bit of the, what is it called? What shade is it called? Pink Bow. I feel like I need a little bit more color on this little outer part here. She's a bop, she's a little vibe or whatever. I know you guys want to see how this applies, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So I already did the other eye, obviously, and I decided to go in with the little bit of the BFF shade, that shade that I've been using literally most of this look, this shade right here. And I went in right here and just started applying it like right here, just bringing it down a little bit. I feel like this has been my thing lately. I've been loving bringing my eyeshadow down here. So I wanted to show you guys that, so you guys to know if you guys are going to be recreating this look. And this is what I did. And I ended up going in with some yellow eyeliner. It's a little bit too neon for what I was looking for, but hey, she's popping. So now we're going to go in here with the duo now. So I just want to show you guys, this is the liner. Just want to show you guys the liner really quick so you guys can get a feel of how this is looking. To give it that, at least it's very precise. You gotta give it that. Like it's giving me like a perfect straight line, as you can see. Cute. If you don't have an eyeliner, I guess, you know, if you guys want to have like a little duo moment, she's a cute little moment. She's not my favorite though, as far as applicator wise. I think it's a little, I like the applicator, but I think it's a little too thick for trying to get that little thin line. But you know, y'all do y'all. Some people like a thicker liner. Okay, and now we're gonna go in here with the mascara. Just want to show you guys again, this is how the applicator looks. Super thin, super little, but very precise mascara. So if you guys have like, you know, little to no lashes, this might be a really good mascara for you. So we're just gonna go in here and just wiggle our way through. Okay, for some weird reason, like this mascara, or I think it's honestly my eyelashes, they for some reason got stuck together with that eyeliner, and now it's like not applying well. I don't think this is like a glue, like an eyelash glue liner, if you know what I mean. But she's there. I mean, y'all can't see it on. Alright guys, so my camera ended up cutting off, of course. So I ended up applying a little bit of that BFF shade. Of course, that shade I'm always talking about, that BFF color. And I decided to put it a little bit on my cheeks. I wanted a very bright pink color. Pretty color, love the BFF shades. One of my favorite colors in here. I applied some lashes and some under eyelashes. And now I have on my regular nude base that I've been doing for a while. Video coming soon. I know you guys want to know about my nude lips. So now we're going to be going in with the lip duo. So I'm just going to do a quick swatch because my camera to die soon. So I wanted to show you guys. So these are the swatches of the lip glosses. This is the shade called Sassy Pink. That little pretty pink shade that's called Sassy Pink. Called Just Peachy, which is just a peachy corally type. Obviously going to go in with this shade called Just Peachy. We're just going to go over our lips with this. So this is the end of this look. I really hope you guys liked it. This is actually, I haven't done a look like this on my YouTube channel in a long time, or actually I don't think I've done this type of a look on my channel at all. So this is pretty cool, and I hope you guys obviously love this look. This palette is super cute. I love the color story on here. I know some people are kind of annoyed with the neutral. I've duped that on Instagram. I saw that some people were hating on the neutrals because they thought this shade was like a green color, and it's definitely not a green, guys. It's like a neutral brown. Like if you guys wanted to, y'all can even use that for bronzer. If you guys want to see another look with this palette, like maybe with the neutrals and just like a little pop of pink somewhere, let me know and I'll get that out for you guys as well. And then the glosses, you know, they're just, you know, if you guys wanted to pick up this collection just to pick it up for like your collector's item. Now I'm a makeup collector and I love collecting this. For the sponge, a sponge was just a cute little add-on to the collection, honestly. Like I think Hipdot is known for adding little sponges to their collections for little add-ons. So it's cute. And again, like I said in the last couple videos, because I've been reviewing sponges recently, that, you know, if you guys are looking for a sponge or just wanting to add another sponge to your collection, then purchase it. If you guys aren't wanting to, then obviously not, but I think it's a cute little collector's item as well, because it's a little cute little heart. Like, alright guys, so if you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you have for me. Please leave it down below, and of course subscribe. And if no one told you you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Okay, bye guys.